Well, another sun setting on a day at the Sine Wave Garage. Got some folks over here taking advantage of some upcoming show specials. Just did a nice big 3 upgrade. Got an American bass equalizer with a voltmeter going in that bad boy. But right now, talk of the time is this bad boy right here. Now, obviously y'all know that I've been working real hard to try to get this thing done. So I already kind of sneak peeked it a little bit. So I'm going to try to do a integrity unboxing video. So trying to show you guys exactly how the SPL lab comes shipped, without a lot of extra fluff there. There's a lot of cellophane that comes with it, but I'm going to get right down to the brass tacks of it. And we're going to crack open our brand new SPL Lab Next system. Now when you open the box, this is pretty much what you're going to see. This little distribution booklet here. The SPL Labs on there. Looks like they got the USA distributor phone number for those wanting to hit up Sean. He's a good dude. He'll help you out. A little word of advice before you order your SPL Lab. Make sure you go down and you hit the SPL Lab USA website. Download the software for whichever system you're purchasing, as well as the license, and you'll be ready to go once you get your equipment to start hooking up and make sure everything works with your computer. But here you got basically a nice little distribution pamphlet of all the things that SPL Lab offers in terms of products, as well as partnerships. There's a lot of cool car audio companies featured in here, many of which you guys are all going to know, and probably going to be curious about some of the cool products these guys have to offer. So you're going to get a little glimpse of that inside the SPL Labs purchase box there. So you're going to get that, and then it's going to be packaged pretty much like this here, on top with your with one rather of your sensors. This is a dual sensor system we got here because we're trying to do some shows. You're going to find packaged together one, I'm assuming 25-foot cord. This thing looks pretty healthy here in terms of its size or length. You're going to find your printer cable, USB type cord for the system to hook up to your laptop, computer, netbook, or whatever you're running. And then again, these guys here are just going to be your standard Cat 5 cables. And for those that have used the Term Lab over the SPL Labs, one thing you're going to notice right away is that the sensor is really tiny by comparison. It's I would say a good 1/4 of an inch all the way around smaller, including the suction cups. And also, if you're familiar with where SPL Lab has come from, the SPL Lab Next system is very well manufactured. It's very professionally done. So it looks very clean. It looks very pro. Once you get past your first sensor, you're going to find your second sensor. Again, still good quality stuff. Not too bad. Little suction cups. 25-foot Cat 5 cord, and then packaged right next to it is the brains of the operation. What I think is pretty neat with the SPL Lab, or different rather, is right on it. And again, this is the next USB, so it does have the 4 ports, just like the Term Pro, or the Term Lab Magnum rather. So you can do 4 lanes of competition metering at one time, or you can do a combination of lanes metering with RTA action, with clamp action. You can get all the little peripherals to connect to it. And here on the back, you just got your standard connection. Again, smaller compared to the Magnum. It's got a mode, an on-off button, so you actually turn this bad boy on and off, and then it's got a status indicator. And again, a little bit of information as far as where it's coming from and where you can go to check more of it out. It's got little feet on the bottom, little rubber feet. Again, nice little project box, good looking labeling. It's a professional looking system, guys. You know, so for a little bit less money than the Magnum, I think you can feel confident going with the SPL Lab USB neck system for your next measurement device. And even playing with some of the promoter software, pretty cool stuff. Definitely had some fun programming in the DB League to get ready for Sunday's show. So yeah, sorry for the long video, guys, but I hope you enjoyed this, and we will look forward to seeing you guys Sunday morning for a little bit of practice time. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, take care, and as always, grab your knob and make it throb. Peace out, guys.